So we're going to start into our first little section here. We warmed up a little bit, remembering what our slope is that's our m, and our b is our y-intercept. So now let's see, what would we do if we were asked to write the equation if you're given 2 points on a line. So you're given a graph with 2 points, you're given your line, and they ask you to take that line and write the equation. Well, the first thing is we're going to start with our slope. You're going to find your slope, and you have a choice. Even though the points are on the graph, you can find the coordinates, or you can use rise over run. So you're going to find the slope using either rise over run, and that's just your counting, up, down, left, or right, or you can use your slope formula. Now, for the sake of time, when we get to our example problems, I'm probably going to use rise over run. But if you look down at your notes, look right there at example 2, you see how I give you the coordinates. So if you want to use your formula, you may. But I'm going to do rise over run for the video. So after you calculate your slope, that's going to give you your m. That's going to be the value for m that you're going to put into your equation. The second thing that you're going to have to do is identify the y-intercept. Now, like I said, every time you have a straight line that's a linear function, it's going to cross the y-axis. You're going to have to find the point that crosses the y-axis, and whatever point, whatever that value is, that's your y-intercept. That's going to be your b, and you plug that in to your equation. So that's the second thing. That's just identifying, eyeballing it on your graph. Then the step 3 is putting it all together. Write the equation of the line. And the equation that we are referring to is the slope-intercept equation, y equals mx plus b. Your slope, the m, comes from step 1. The y-intercept, your b, comes from step 2. The y and the x, as you should know by now, are just variables. Those aren't going to change. So what we're going to do next is we're going to look at example 2, and we're going to take those graphs and we are going to come up with the equations of the line.